Want to start earning $10 to $100 daily with no complicated strategies? In today's video, I'll show you how to cash in on CEXio right now. No need to wait for the airdrop. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this simple method will have you earning in no time. Stick around to learn how you can turn CEXio into your personal money machine today. While we're waiting for the upcoming airdrop in Q4 of 2024, there's a simple method to start earning on this platform right now. I'll walk you through how you can take advantage of CEXio to earn money every day, even before the airdrop arrives. CEXio is a trusted cryptocurrency exchange platform, similar to well-known names like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Launched in 2013, it has grown into a versatile platform offering a wide range of services, from buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies to more advanced features like savings accounts and staking opportunities. With over 100 supported assets, CEXio caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering easy access to popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. But what makes CEXio stand out is its user-friendly interface, strong security measures, and additional earning potential. Beyond just trading, you can utilize features like staking, where you lock up your crypto to earn rewards, or participate in margin trading to maximize your profits. And here's the exciting part. Did you know that you can earn between $10 and $100 daily using CEXio? That's right. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you can take to start making daily profits, even before the highly anticipated airdrop in Q4 of 2024. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this platform into a consistent income stream. Before diving into the money-making strategies, you'll need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer verification. This is necessary for identity verification, which ensures that you're eligible to fully use all features of the platform, including deposits and withdrawals. Once your account is set up and verified on CEXio, the next step is to deposit funds into your wallet. This is crucial because it unlocks the ability to start earning passive income through savings or staking, two key features that allow you to grow your crypto holdings without constant trading. Savings. CEXio offers a flexible savings program that works similarly to a traditional bank account, but with higher interest rates on cryptocurrencies. By simply depositing your crypto assets into a savings account, you can earn interest over time. Here's a breakdown of what you could potentially earn on some popular cryptocurrencies. 0.5% on Bitcoin, BTC, 4% on DAI, 2.3% on Dogecoin, Doge. One of the best aspects of CEXio's savings feature is that it's flexible. This means you're not locking up your assets, and you can withdraw them at any time without losing the interest you've earned so far. Whether you're a long-term holder or someone looking to make a bit of extra income on your crypto, savings on CEXio provides a safe, low-risk way to grow your portfolio. Staking. If you're looking for higher returns and are willing to commit your assets for a longer period, staking could be a more attractive option. Staking is the process of locking up your crypto to help secure a blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards. The percentage returns vary based on the cryptocurrency you choose to stake. For example, staking rewards on CEXio for different cryptos can range from 3% to 12%, depending on market conditions and the specific asset. The staking process is simple. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake, lock it up for a set period. Earn rewards during that period, which are automatically credited to your account. While staking typically requires you to commit your funds for a certain amount of time, the rewards can be significantly higher than savings, making it an excellent choice for those who want to maximize their returns. Savings and staking on CEXio are two great ways to passively grow your crypto holdings. Whether you prefer flexibility with lower returns or higher rewards with a commitment, both options provide opportunities to earn between $10 and $100 daily, depending on your strategy and the amount of crypto you deposit. The second, and potentially more profitable, way to earn money on CEXio is through trading. Trading involves buying cryptocurrencies at a low price and selling them at a higher price to make a profit. You don't need to be a professional day trader to succeed. With a basic understanding of market trends and some time spent monitoring price movements, you can generate consistent returns. After funding your CEXio account, head over to the trading section of the platform. CEXio supports a wide variety of cryptocurrency pairs, meaning you can trade one cryptocurrency for another, or exchange it for traditional fiat currencies like USD or EUR. Some popular trading pairs include BTC USD, Bitcoin to US dollar, ETH USDT, Ethereum to Tether, LTC EUR, Litecoin to Euro. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to get started. Choose a trading pair. Select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. You can either stick to major cryptocurrencies like BTC USD for more stability, or explore altcoins for higher volatility and potentially higher profits. Monitor the market. Successful trading is all about timing. Look at the price charts available on CEXio. To better understand market trends, switch to the candlestick chart, which provides detailed insights into price movements over a set period. This chart will show you when prices are dipping, indicating a potential buy opportunity, and when they are rising, a good time to sell. Buy low. Identify when the price of your chosen cryptocurrency dips and place a buy order. This step is crucial because buying at a lower price allows you to maximize your potential profits when the price rises again. Sell high. After purchasing, keep an eye on the market. Once the price rebounds and reaches a point higher than your buy-in price, you can place a sell order to lock in your profit. Let's say you're monitoring the price of Bitcoin, BTC, and notice a dip in the price. Perhaps BTC drops from 28,000 to 27,500. You decide to buy one Bitcoin at $27,500, anticipating the price will rise again. A few hours later, Bitcoin increases to 28,200. You sell at this point, netting a $700 profit before fees. This basic buy low, sell high strategy is a simple yet effective way to earn daily profits on CEXio. You can apply the same method to any cryptocurrency pair available on the platform. With practice, you'll become more familiar with reading charts, understanding trends, and executing profitable trades. Set limit orders. Instead of manually buying and selling, use limit orders to automate your trades. You can set a limit buy order to automatically purchase a cryptocurrency when it drops to your desired price. Likewise, you can set a limit sell order to automatically sell when it reaches your target profit level. This allows you to avoid constantly monitoring the market and capitalize on price fluctuations even while you're away. Stay informed. Keeping up with market news and events can give you an edge in trading. Cryptocurrency prices often react to news such as regulatory changes, technological upgrades, or major partnerships. Following relevant news can help you anticipate market movements and position your trades accordingly. You don't need to be glued to the charts all day. CEXio offers a variety of tools like stop loss and take profit orders, which allow you to automate your trades and lock in profits while minimizing losses. While trading and staking are great ways to earn, CEXio offers even more features, including their Buy Crypto function, which lets you buy cryptocurrencies directly using your credit or debit card through services like Google Pay. Additionally, while you wait for the big airdrop coming later this year, you can use these strategies to start earning money on the platform now. This will allow you to make the most of CEXio, turning it into a consistent income source. There you have it. Whether you're saving, staking, or trading on CEXio, these are easy ways to start making $10 to $100 daily. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the platform and strategies. And don't forget to complete your KYC verification to unlock all the features. If you haven't signed up for the CEXio airdrop yet, use the link in the description to get started. Let me know what you think about this strategy in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.